a little town, and people are starting to wake up early in the morning. It's not early in the morning, but it's 7:30 in the morning. We're starting to walk the streets, see what it looks like. Buen día. Oh, this seems to be the little square here. We're gonna walk a little bit later, but now we find the place open, so we're gonna see if we can get some coffee. We need some coffee. This is Wampusirpi Square, and as you can see, there's not much. A few big houses that are the commercial centers. Over there they have a few families that in a building, and they sell most of the stuff that is consumed in this town. And you can see the difference on the opulence to the very not much. Over there is another house being built up. So Wampusirpi is becoming a destroyed beautiful place to become a city. It's already a municipality of Gracias a Dios. It is one of the most important ones. So we're gonna walk a little bit to show you how Wampusirpi looks like. Hopefully this is the street and nobody complains. It doesn't really show any difference. Soccer field for puppy football. And I'm coming across the big church, I believe. There is a big conflict here between the different types of religions. The Catholics are complaining that the evangelics are taking their fellow people to their size. So, who knows? Buen día. I don't know what that is. a little street. We'll walk it one block, and then we come back to and run the other way. A little bit closer to the road. Like I said, it's bad. Look at the flowers on the tree. Showing beautiful flowers. Some nice houses. The majority of the houses are elevated like that because of the water or because of the animals, snakes or something like that, that may crawl into the house. Look at that, it's on top of it's elevated. But look at this one, concrete one. This might be a little, no, it's just a house. That's just a house. But look at this beautiful, peaceful place. And yeah, all the houses are elevated. And a little dog laying down in the middle of the road. Like nothing happens. Look at him. Hey you, sleeping. What is it? You resting? I guess we gotta follow to the left. In the meantime, wow, look at this. Natural. Natural. Now we're gonna walk a little bit more here. I wanted to go that way, but it just looks like nothing else. But I believe this is the school, the little school here. So we're gonna go down the other street. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 classrooms. And the school goes from first grade to 8th grade. There you have it. Still a lot of trees from jungle here. Look at those big things over there in the middle of the tree. Those will be nice orchids. These little rooms here. Well, that's the bathroom. That's the bathroom on this place. Coconut tree, small one, full of it. Look at the house. Buenos días,
Buenos
señoritas.
días.
And see that tower over there? This is the destruction of Wampusirpi. Everybody has a phone now. There's another church here, a little store. You can hear the motor. The engine of the motor is telling us that they are getting water out of the well. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Qué bueno. Coming into the church, I believe. Yeah, this is closed. Goes only to the church. We're going to take a look at this from here because it's a door. And then we will go back. The natural paths called streets in Wampusirpi. And the roads are kind of crazy. But I'm loving it. The only thing that you cannot get rid of is the heat. It's hot, but it's nice. Soon we will get back to the motorcycle. Lady Kawoq is waiting for us. We will go there and we will return to civilization. I need to go by the harbor, if we can call it that way, to see if we can arrange how we're going to leave this place. So we will walk. And to announce your business, you have to play loud music that you can hear it. I'm gonna come back for you to see this, to show you this, the beautiful macaw. It just flew this way and came and is standing on that post there. So we gotta show it to you. Look at him. And it's free. Are you free, Mrs. Macaw? There. Look at this majestic tree. Free bird. Okay. Beautiful, majestic animal. Look at him. And look at the people too. They come to see. Okay. It's a beautiful animal. Well, you can see all the boats that are going to everywhere here from the end of the line in Wampusirpi through the distribution all over the world, all over the inside of Honduras. The transport, as they call it, which is one of those things, leaves here at 3 o'clock in the morning every day. So if you want to travel, you have to be here before 3 o'clock in the morning so you can get a seat perhaps and travel. This is the site of it. So this guy here is the administrator. So we're going to take a walk now. We got the information we're looking for. Gracias, muy amable. Que tengan buen día, buen viaje.
Gracias, igual. Nadie va a hacer cook ni bajarita
Look at the size of that thing. And the owner over there laying down sleeping. Crazy dog. So, and this is calling my attention because they're building here the canoes that are being used in the water. So hopefully they don't kick me out. I'm gonna ask some questions here. See, look at that, it's a fiberglass. The other ones are wood. Buenos días. No se molesta si los grabo un momentito. Si ustedes, voy a grabarles un momentito, no hay problema. Voy a preguntarles qué están haciendo. ¿Qué está haciendo usted? ¿Está reparándolo o ya está construyéndolo?
Aquí hacemos, reparamos, hacemos lancha, hacemos todo.
Aquí hace todo.
Trabajamos de fibra, madera.
Y los empiezan de cero.
De cero
¿Sí?
hasta terminar.
Hasta terminarlo.
Sí, así es.
Este ya va dando color entonces.
Ya va dando color, ya hicimos una copia hasta una lancha.
Esta es de fibra de vidrio, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Okay.
Sí. Entonces, aquí trabajamos, este es un taller.
Es un taller.
Es un taller, sí, aquí reparamos.
¿Y cuánto vale una máquina de estas?
Bueno, depende, eso va dependiendo el trabajo, la calidad y algo que uno evalúa.
Ok.
Sí, así. Entonces aquí estamos. Sí.
Pues muchas gracias,
sí.
Que tengan ustedes buen día.
Ok.
So as you can see there.
Este es el maestro.
Él es el maestro.
Este es el maestro.
Usted es el maestro constructor. ¿Qué tanto tiempo lleva trabajando en estos?
Me llevamos un año.
Un año. Wow. So, ¿en cuánto tiempo usted completa una de ellas?
Casi como una semana, 2 semanas llevo.
2 semanas.
Sí, 12 días.
Ok. Muchas gracias, Que tengan buen día.
Ok.
So as you hear, they assemble everything here and they make them new. They repair and build from zero to completion. As you can see there, those are in the process of being made. And that one, kind of blue, is the one that the size of where you travel in. Look at those things, are big ones. Well, that doesn't seem to be working anymore. Look at this man, it's carrying the whole engine of the boat. Buen día. It's going to the water. And here is a car wash or motorcycle washer. Washing motorcycles and repairing them. Many motorcycles in this place. Okay, we're back to the square. Arkansas, no electricity whatsoever. Whatever you want to do here, you do it with an electric plant. So there is no other way. Look at this guy. He's resting. Come to bother him. All kinds of motorcycles being repaired. Wow. Well, that's one of the wells right there. So this is how the people live here. But nothing what I'd imagine, nothing that I can say that I was expecting to have. We're getting closer now to the soccer field. Look at the big truck and it's paralyzed, it doesn't work anymore. In the meantime, there's a nice little park here. There's not a nice little park, but it used to be a nice little park. And here is the big soccer field. And it's important because it has built some standing places so people can come and watch the games. I want to walk a little bit longer. I'll sit over there in the middle and we're gonna turn it off and we're gonna call it a day. Look at this little road here. Wow. police station or something like that. But that car is police patrol. And the little horses. We sat here last night, so I want to sit here. Good morning, Internet. It is 2 o'clock in the morning, and I'm on my way back to Krausirpi. Doing my way back to the civilization. So, Wampusirpi, thank you very much for your cooperation. I'm out of here.